Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keena with SweetGemLife. Today I am unboxing the Fancy Plans Co. Home Management Box version 2. For those of you that don't know, I am the shop assistant for Fancy Plans Co. I help out. So we've got this box. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Y'all, look at it. The post office beat it into oblivion, but it's here. Actually, mine was delivered by UPS. They not know better. So this is the experience, y'all. Let me get my business out of here first. But here's the card that it was included. It has a list of what's included on the back. So if you're new here, when I unbox items with a what's included list, I will typically go in the order of what's on the card. So I'm going to sit this up here and I'm going to move this box off to the side so that I can get all the things out. Let's see what's in here. First things first, we have the planner inserts full page. I did order my box in classic size because I will be setting up a home management planner in classic size. And I wanted something that, well, obviously it doesn't need to be portable. It's not going to leave the home, right? But I wanted something that was going to feel like somewhere I could get comfortable in. So I love my Happy Planner Mini because it fits in my purse and it's convenient and I can take it where I need to go. But it doesn't give me the space to really plan and to really write things out. So you guys know I was in a classic. Oh my God. I was in a classic at some point and just recently switched to A5, and my A5 houses everything, okay? Everything but my Bible. So these are the planner inserts in the full page, and we have a declutter challenge. So it goes in for 30 days. Excuse me, and you guys stay tuned. In the Fancy Plans group, we'll be setting up a declutter challenge where everyone can get involved. We're trying to give everyone some time to get their boxes. So here we have the challenge details, day 1 through 30. We have our goals and reflections, start date, end date, biggest challenge. Everybody's biggest challenge is going to be different. We've got challenge goals, how did I do, and my reward. Number one thing when setting up any type of challenge for yourself, let there be a reward. Or what did you do it for? Yeah, we got our home organized. We did the declutter challenge. Wow, we've got a whole bunch of stuff gone. But what was your personal gain? Yes, you got rid of a whole bunch of stuff and now you've got space to go buy new stuff, which is more than likely what's gonna happen. But what did you get out of it? Reward yourself for, meeting your goals. We have questions to ask, 1 through 15. Will I have more space to do the things I want? Does it fit? Is it in style? And is it my style? Do I love it? Have I used it in the last year? Would I buy it again? The biggest one. Is it stained or damaged? How many of this do I already own? Would this make someone else happier than me? Does it increase the quality of my life? Do I need to save it for tax or legal reasons? And then the next page, you go into tasks. We have our progress from day 1 to 30. We've got some check boxes, supplies, and notes. And then we just have quite a few of these pages all the way back. And then the last page is a notes page. So here is the declutter challenge in the full page. Next item we have in the box is a clearing out list. This is a half sheet. It will be a half sheet for whichever size you get. At the moment, the only sizes available are classic, half letter, A5, and mini Happy Planner because those are the most popular sizes. So we have a clearing out half sheets. So we've got a space for the item, whether you're going to sell, repair, or donate it, and it is double-sided. So you get, I believe, 8 because that is the typical. Yep, you get 8 of these. So this is the half sheet clearing out insert. So the next item, we're gonna jump into our little folder here. It is clear, has a Velcro close on it, so you can reuse this for whatever, but why not keep your home management goodies in it, duh. So the next item on the list are the transparent flags in the very color scheme the box is in. The next item we have is the soft gray and gold, the soft gray and gold pen. Y'all, this is lightweight. Ooh. And writes very smooth. Does have the Fancy Plans logo branding on it. So that's the soft gray and gold pen. The next item up is the floral pen loop. Y'all know how this goes. Everything's florals. The whole box is floral themed. So that's the pen loop. Next item we have are the matte floral sticker sheet. We have our florals here that match the box. So pretty. Y'all know I'm floral everything. The next item we have are the doll boxes. So these are the new dolls. If you haven't been in the shop, these are the new dolls that correspond with the home management theme. They are doing all of the home management things. So we have our sticker sheets. The next item up is the transparent wording sticker sheet. So I know a lot of you guys use these for your task labels on your task cards. I've seen some of you use these for tabs in your planner, sections, whatever. So here are the transparent wording sticker sheet. One. Then we have the magnetic page holder. Y'all, I love these. One of the reasons that I really love them, don't get me wrong, I love my Ollie clips too. There's a time and a place for everything. These are flat and they don't make your planner too bulky. These are this is the magnetic page holder. The next item is the gold circle paper clip. It's simple, it's functional, it's gonna hold you together. So that's the gold circle paper clip. The next item is the floral vellum, and it just says home management tips. 1, use a to-do list. Get all tasks out of your brain and on paper so that they are not using up precious memory space or energy just to remember them. Number 2, create a cleaning routine. Set up a daily, weekly, and monthly chore system. This system will reduce feelings of overwhelm that you feel when you take a look around a filthy house. Number 3, meal prep and plan. Meal plan and prep. This will be your secret weapon. It shaves hours off your work week and eliminates the struggle to come up with a dinner plan. Number 4, set up a calendar system. Keep a calendar nearby, whether it's a planner or a wall calendar or simply a calendar on your smartphone. This will help you keep track of all the things. And number 5, the most important, get your finances in order. Set up a budget that works for your family and stick to it. Having a clear picture of the money that comes into the household is crucial for successfully managing a home. So that is the floral vellum in the kit. And then I've already told you guys about the clear envelope. The next item is this floral washi tape. Let's get this open so y'all can see it. So we do have this floral washi tape with this white background. We've got some grays, some pinks, some greens, and of course the pinks. Let me say that again. So here is the floral washi tape. The next item up is the clear plastic card, and this is included to help you set up your task card system. After that, we have a set of 3 circle journal cards. These are so pretty, y'all. So we have the first one that says, home where love resides, memories are created, and friends always belong, and laughter never ends. And then we have this metallic silver color here. And the next one says, where the Wi-Fi connects automatically. So you could write down your Wi-Fi password here and leave it someplace general, but not easily accessible. Does that make sense? So this is the set of 3 circle journal cards. Next item we have sitting over here is the floral post-it notes. Y'all know I'm always here for a set of sticky notes. The next item is a notepad, and it says that it's a master to-do list. Let's get this open. Master to-do list. So we've got a checklist column, a do column, and a to-do column. It has a very faint floral background back there. So we have our master to-do list notepad. The next item is the adhesive pocket. Again, it's for you to set up your task card system. If you need more of these, they are available in the shop. The next item is a hexagon floral keychain. Yes, I know y'all, this box is packed full of goodies. This is super cute. It does have the Fancy Plans branding down here, and I'm always here for pink. So we have our hexagon floral keychain. Last but not least, the floral room and linen spray. Ooh, y'all know I love that rose spray from the last home management box. It was everything. Let's smell it. Go away. That's light. It has a very nice scent. It's light. It's not overpowering. I could totally see. Do y'all remember back in the days when we used to spray letters, when we sent letters, y'all? I could totally see my whole home management planner set up and just smells good when you open it. Oh my goodness. Yes. Gotta grab me some more of these. All right, y'all. So this is the Fancy Plans Co. Home Management Box Volume 2, version 2. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. If you decide to shop with Fancy Plans Co., be sure to use code KINA10 to save some coin off your order. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.